I've had 3 ectopic pregnancies, and they've all resulted in me having to have my tube removed. And then one time I had a tubal rupture. So IVF is really my only option to have another child.
We had been trying for kids for about a year when we went to see reproductive endocrinology. Ultimately, in August, we got diagnosed with unexplained infertility. We did our first round of an oral medicine called letrozole in October, and we were so incredibly lucky because it worked for us that month. And so we were pregnant, and then in November, we miscarried. And it was honestly one of the hardest things that we have ever been through, but we also didn't want to wait longer. So we did another cycle of the letrozole the same month, but realistically we were talking about IVF and planning to start it in April. The general consensus is that nobody really knows what happens next.
Where do we go from here? What would happen? We're in the middle of this process. I'm taking medications I've already purchased, all of the medications for the transfer cycle. But now it's just devastating, honestly, that all of that has been put on hold and we don't know what the next steps will be for us or if we'll even be able to afford the transfer of them out of state.
My husband and I had already talked about, are we going to need to go out of state? Are we going to need to move? But moving for us is hard. It's challenging for everyone. Just IVF as a whole is so time sensitive. There's so many appointments, there's so many follow-ups, labs, ultrasounds, that I think it's going to be challenging even for us if that's what we have to do.
What now? What now for the embryos that are frozen, that can't even move anywhere? Do they just sit there forever because something could potentially go wrong, just as it could in any normal pregnancy?
You know, I think that there are so many things that are unexplored about this. There are so many things like, could the miscarriage that I had in November be criminalized as involuntary manslaughter if that was happening now?
I'm sad. I've had my moments of crying throughout the whole day, and I'm angry. I'm angry that other people get to make a decision about whether or not I get to grow my family.
This is having a real impact on individuals, and it's probably someone that you know, because this is so widespread. Infertility affects, 1 in 6 couples. I find it hard to believe that the people who made this decision on the Supreme Court don't have somebody in their lives that wasn't affected by this.
My hope is that the message is heard and that other people see how this is impacting so many of us that just want a family. And that something's done and that we're able to continue our treatment in Alabama where it started.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.